Hello, my name is Johnny Emamoto from 11 STEM Girls. So for this video output, we're gonna solve the two set of problem solving in stats and probability. So allow me first to read the direction and the problem. So solve the following. The average length of adult rabbit is 30 centimeter with standard deviation of 4 centimeter if their length are normally distributed. So the first question is, or letter A, how many percent of adult rabbits are shorter than 28 centimeter? B, how many percent of adult rabbit exceed 40 centimeter in length? And C, is it's a rabbit is randomly chosen, what is the probability that its length is between 21 centimeter and 20 and 35 centimeter? So after we read the questionnaire and the problem, we're gonna forward to solve the first question or yung letter A, yung how many percent of adult rabbits are shorter than 28 centimeter. So we list down the given. So x equals to 28. Yung 28 came from the question. Yung m is equals to 30 centimeter nanggaling dun sa problem. And yung standard variation is equals to 4. Then, yung gagamitin nating formula dito is z equals to x minus m over standard variation. Then, yung value ni x, ni m, and ni standard variation is isa-substitute lang natin siya. So, z equals to 28 minus 30 over 4 is equal to negative 2 over 4. So, yung negative 2 over 4 is kapag dinivide natin siya, so negative 2 divide 4 is 0, ay negative 0.5. So, yung negative 0.5 is equivalent of 0.3085. So, para makuha natin yung percent na tinatanong dito sa letter A is yung 0.3085, ita-times natin siya sa 100. So, 0.3085 times 100 is equals to 30.85%. So, there are 30.85% of adult rabbit shorter than 28 centimeter. So, forward na tayo sa letter B question. So, how many percent of adult rabbit exceed 40 centimeter in length? So, ganun rin, ililist down natin ulit yung given. So, yung given, x equals to 40, m equals to 30, and standard variation is equals to 4. So, ganun lang ulit yung formula. Z equals to 40 minus 30 over 4 is equals to 10 over 4. So, 10 divided by 4 is equals to 2.5. So, yung 2.5 is equivalent of 0.9938. And yung 0.9938 isa-subtract natin siya sa 1. So, 1 minus 0.9938 is equals to 0.062. Then, para makuha rin natin yung percent ng 0.062 is ita-times natin siya sa 100. 0.0062 times 100 is equals to 0.62%. So, in B, there are 0.62% adult rabbits that exceeds 40 centimeters in length. So, sa C na tayo. So, C, it's a rabbit is randomly chosen. What is the probability that its length is between 21 centimeter and 35 centimeter? So, yung given, ililist down lang rin natin. So, dito, yung x natin is dalawa. Yung 21 and 35. So, x equals to 21 and 35. Mean is equals to 30 and the standard variation is equals to 4. So, ganun lang ulit yung formula, yung z equals to x minus m over standard variation. So, sa substitute na natin yung first, yung sa 21. So, z equals to 21 minus 30 is equals to 4. 21 minus 30 over 4 is equals to negative 9 over 4. So, kapag dinivide naman natin yung negative 9 over 4 is equal to negative 2.5, then yung negative 2.5 is equivalent niya is yung 0.062. 22. Then, isosolve natin yung yung sa 35 naman. So, 35 minus 30 over 4 is equals to 5 over 4. That yung 5 divided by 4 is equals to 1.5. Then, yung 1.5 is equivalent niya is 0.8944. Then, yung nakuha nating dun sa 21 and 35, ipagma-minus natin siya. So, 0.0122 minus 0.8944 is equals to 0.8822. So, the length between 21 centimeter and 35 centimeter is 0.8822 centimeter. So, proceed na tayo dun sa letter number 2, problem solving. Yung problem solving. So, a coffee vending machine is designed to discharge an average of 8 ounce with standard deviation of 0.2 ounce. If the amount of coffee the machine discharge follow a normal 8.5 ounce. So, meron rin siyang ulit tatlong questionnaire. So sa A, what is percent of discharge exceed 8.5 ounce? Then sa B, what percent of discharge are between 7.6 ounce and 8.1 ounce? And the C is if a customer buy a cup of coffee, what is probability that it is less than 7.77 ounce. So, we read the problem, we gonna solve first the A. So, what is percent of discharge exceed 8.5 ounce? So, yung first is yung given. Ililista muna natin yung given. So, yung x is equals to 8.5, mean is equals to 8, and standard deviation is 0.2. So, ganun lang ulit yung formula. X minus m equals to x minus n over standard deviation. So, C equals to 8.5 minus 8 over 0.2 is equal to 0.5 over 0.2. Kapag sinolve naman natin yung 0.5 over 0.2 is equal to 2.5. That equivalent of 0.9938. Then, dito yung 0.9938 is i-minus natin siya sa 1. So, 1 minus 0.9938 is equals to 0.062. Then, para makuha natin ulit ang tawag po dito, yung percent is, ito times natin yung 0.0062 sa 100. So, 0.0062 times 100 is equals to 0.62%. So, there has 0.62% of the discharge exceeds 8.5 ounces. So, B na tayo. So, sa B, what percent of discharge are between 7.6 ounce and 81.1 ounce? So, yung given natin, dalawa siya. Yung x equals to 7.6 and yung 81.1. And yung mean natin is equals to 8, and yung standard deviation is equals to 0.2. So, first, we're gonna solve the 7.6. So, isa-substitute natin yung 7.6. So, 7.6 minus 8 over 0.2 is equals to negative 0.4 over 0.2. And kapag sinolve naman natin yung 0.4 over 0.2, kapag dinivide natin siya, ang answer is negative 2. That equivalent in 0.0228. Then, yun sa pangalawa naman is yung sa 88.1 minus 8 over 2, over 0.2 is equals to 0.1 over 0.2. Then kapag sinolve natin yon is equals to 0.5, that equivalent of 0.6915. So, yung dalawa nating nakuhang sagot, yung 0.0228 is is ima-minus natin siya dito sa 0.6915. Na kapag pag minus natin yung dalawa, ang magiging answer is 0.6687. Para makuha natin yung percent, kapag sinolve natin yung pag times na ita-times natin siya sa 100. Yung 0.6687 times 100 is equals to 67.87%. So, the discharge between 7.6 and 81.1 ounce, 8.1 ounce is equals to 66.87%. So, sa C, if C na tayo. So, if a customer buy a cup of coffee, what is the probability that is less than 7.7 ounce? So, yung given, X equals to 7.7, yung M is equals to 8, and yung standard deviation is equals to 0.2. Then, isa-substitute natin yung mga given. 7.7 minus 8 over 0.2 is equals to negative 0.3 over 0.2. Then, kapag dinivide natin yung 0.3 over 0.2 is equals to negative 1.5. That equivalent on 0.0668. Then, para makuha natin yung percent nito is yung 0.06668 0.0668 times 100 is equals to 6.68%. There are 6.68% customer buy a cup of a coffee less than 7.7 ounce. So I hope you learn and I hope you learn and I discuss it na nalinawan kayo kung paano i-solve yung dalawang question. So thank you for watching.